An Eldorado Park father accused of allegedly sexually assaulting and murdering his 4-year-old daughter will appear in court today for a bail hearing. The 32-year-old appeared in the Protea Magistrates Court in Soweto on Friday. Now, this was the very same day that the little girl died. He is accused of allegedly abusing her 2-year-old brother. SABC News reporter Lopang Alamu is on that story. Lopang, not an easy story to be covering, and certainly one that has a very emotional, charging response to the community and, of course, the whole country on this one, watching very closely. Talk to us about this and what's sort of in contingency at the courtroom this morning.
Leanne, that's correct. It's quite a heavy-hearted story. And we've seen, as you mentioned, the country just having too many questions for the parents of this 4-year-old girl. Now, just to clarify, we're expecting the mother to also make an appearance. Unfortunately, we could not get those visuals on Friday because the magistrate only allowed us access to the courtroom for the father's appearance. Now, we understand that the mother appeared shortly after the father made his first appearance in court. And on Friday, the charges he was facing were attempted murder as well as defeating the ends of justice as well as sexual assault. But now, since his appearance on Friday, just after that appearance, we understood that the child lost her life, which then means that the new charges now are murder instead of attempted murder, as we heard in court on Friday. So quite a heavy story, Leanne, as you mentioned. And we spoke to community members who were quite distraught. We saw them here on Friday, and we're expecting a little bit more people to join us in court today. We also do understand that we cannot identify the child. That's just the media law that we are confined in, and that's protected by the Child Protections Act. Now, we cannot identify the child despite her passing away. That's because her little brother, who is currently in the hands of social workers, cannot be identified. We have to protect the identity of that particular child. We also do understand that the mother, who is heavily pregnant, is also expected to make an appearance this morning. Now, we are not certain as yet whether or not they will be making an appearance together. Now, the mother faces charges of defeating the ends of justice. Now, this is because she was unable, or rather she did not report the abuse as well as that particular attack that happened last week, Wednesday. Now, this is when we understand this attack to have taken place, where the child was assaulted allegedly for hours. Now, this is the account of the eyewitnesses as well as the police. So we'll keep an eye out for any more developments as well as when the community makes their way. For now, it's back to studio, Leanne.
All right, thanks very much, Lopang Alamu, on that terrific story. And as you heard, there are lots of rules to abide by for this particular case, as the rules dictate. But we'll bring you as much as we possibly can to keep you updated on this story.